Hi, my name is Michelle Gluck. I'm the Human Resources Manager here for ENGEL North America. Our team is so excited to share with you some information about our apprenticeship program. We build premium injection molding machines, robots, and complete automation solutions that help our customers manufacture the plastic parts that we use every day. What makes ENGEL different is our commitment to innovation, our focus on our customers, and our dedication to making plastic manufacturing more sustainable. When you join ENGEL, you're joining more than a company. You're joining a global team that believes in developing people. Through our apprenticeship program, you'll gain hands-on experience, learn from industry experts, and build valuable technical skills while launching your career in a growing, high-tech industry. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a different career, we're excited to help you build your future with ENGEL.
My name is Kluttz. I'm Vice President of our Customer Service Division and Operations at ENGEL. Every machine we build needs to be installed, maintained, and kept running at its best. And that's where our service technicians come in. Our Field Service Technician Apprenticeship Program is how we build that team. If you love working with your hands, solving problems, and want to travel, this could be your path. You'll learn assembly, on-site installation, preventative maintenance, and troubleshooting on some of the most advanced machinery and automation in the industry. Our apprentices work one-on-one with experienced mentors. You'll graduate with a nationally recognized Journeyman certificate. It's a 4-year, fully paid program combining hands-on experience with classroom learning, building a career skill set that's always in demand.
Hi, I'm Steve Shealy, a plastics process engineer here at ENGEL. Once a machine is running, our process engineering team makes sure the actual production runs exactly the way it should. Our customers come from a wide range of industries, and no two projects are the same. You'll help optimize their production processes and play a direct role in shaping how plastic parts are molded safely and efficiently. If you enjoy variety, hands-on problem solving, and being at the forefront of manufacturing, you'll be able to make a real impact.
I'm Nate Coulter, HR Generalist. Thinking about a future with ENGEL? Here's what comes next. Applications open at select times throughout the year, so be sure to check the ENGEL Careers page on our website for upcoming dates. Once applications are open, you'll apply, interview with our recruiter, and then meet with members of the ENGEL team in a panel interview. Since 2021, we've graduated 10 apprentices, and today, 11 more are building their careers through the program. It's an exciting time to join ENGEL and be a part of the future of plastics. If ENGEL sounds like a fit for you, visit our website and apply today. We look forward to meeting you.